Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, today we will take a look at the euro currency, but first I would like to show you our yesterday setup on the New Zealand dollar. So as you can see, our brand button trade has worked perfect. This was drop just this as it's shown in the book, so absolutely perfect example of the brand button on the New Zealand dollar. This is 4-hour time frame, so you can see that thrust up close below the 3x3 with the two sessions. First, I mean not sessions, just the candles. First, closed below the 3x3, second closed and reaching of the major fib support of the thrust. That's where a brand button has started. So here we should take the long position according to our analysis that we have prepared. So if you have done this, right now you could move your stop to the break even and just watch what will happen. So if we will get lucky, in this case probably we will be able to join on the daily chart to this big ABCD action to the upside. But if we are not, well, this will not be the strategy, because in this case our trade is already riskless. Another opportunity is just to take the profit on this brand button because it already has hit the target. As you know, the target of the brand button is the 618 resistance of this whole move down. As you can see, it's already has been reached. So if you're a scalp trader, you trade on the intraday charts, on the hourly chart, on the 15-minute chart, in this case, your trade already has been completed. For others, you could decide what to do, or you could, for example, close the half of the position and the rest the half one for possessing on the daily chart. So our setup on the New Zealand dollar has been completed. Right now, let's turn to the euro currency and the discussion of the coming two sessions today and tomorrow. So this will be probably the peak of the trading activity on the current week, because today we will get the European Central Bank meeting. Tomorrow we will get the non-farm payrolls. So you know, guys, that yesterday was the ADP report that shows 217,000. It's really very big, very nice and positive numbers. And right now we have the situation that's absolutely similar to the last month, because as you know, I have talked already a million of times that the ADP report has very big relation and the correlation with the non-farm payrolls, about the 95% correlation between the ADP numbers and the non-farm payrolls. It means that non-farm payrolls release should be greater than the ADP, because ADP is just the private sector and non-farm payrolls is the government sector and the private sector employment. So if government sector has no contraction last month, and I think that it should not have any contraction, it means that non-farm payrolls should be greater than the ADP. But Reuters poll yesterday was announced around 200,000 that investors expect. So it means that there's really very high probability that the non-farm payrolls release will beat the expectation with a significant surplus. So I dare to suggest that we probably should get somewhere around 300,000. So maybe 250, 280,000 probably will be the non-farm payrolls data. If it will really the truth, and it's really we will get it, in this case you should be ready for a United States dollar acceleration or a drop on the dollar-related currency across the board. So the Great British Pound, Euro currency. So Great British Pound, you already see the drop on the gold market and so on. That's just the logical conclusions. I do not call you to trade on non-farm payrolls release, because personally I do not trade data releases. I'm just trying to follow the logic, and it suggests that we should get something of that sort. Let's see what we'll really get. Today, guys, on the euro currency, on the daily chart, we see the action that we have discussed, and no surprises here. So we said that hardly market will show any significant bounce or reversal or something of that sort before it will hit the major targets. 104.50. This is the target for the current week. And you can see already, although market has shown the bounce in the beginning of the week, it has stopped very fast, very soon. We said that probably market could test the weekly pivot point in 106, 106.20 when we have discussed euro currency on the 1st of December, this is 2 days ago. But hardly market will show any deeper retracement. And this really has happened. So you can see this minor candle. This market turned to the downside again. That's the target that stands here. And I guys think that it's really big chance that market will hit this target within the couple of sessions. So today, tomorrow. I think this should happen. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see the big wedge pattern, and you can see how market has challenged the 106 area. This was weekly pivot point. It has challenged it 3 times. The first challenge, or even 4 times. You can see the first challenge was here. That was on the 1st of December, or where we have discussed it. No, here we have started to discuss it. That was drop. Well, here we said that market could test weekly pivot point. That has happened first, second, was happened again yesterday. Market has failed to do this. Also, guys, this was, as you can see, conference resistance, some sort of the conference, but market hasn't reached the upper border of this conference. So around 106.35 first area stands. And you can see market has failed to pass through the weekly pivot point. That tells that market is really bearish, and this is the weakness of the market, since as market wasn't able to pass through the weekly pivot point, currently it suggests and confirms the existing of the bearish sentiment on the market. And it means that the chance on the downward continuation looks preferable in the current situation. That's why, if somehow you do not have the short position on euro currency, but probably already most of our farmers already have it. Anyway, on the hourly chart, guys, you could focus on this most recent swing down out from the weekly pivot point. On this most recent swing down, trend is bearish as on the daily chart, as on the 4-hour time frame chart. Maybe if market will show some minor bounce, you could try for taking the short position on some fib levels here. If it will be such opportunity today, you could think about it. And let's keep an eye on the European Central Bank meeting. I suggest it seems that European Central Bank will make our day today. So let's see what we will get.